A very good morning to all. Today we are going to start with our English workbook. And this is your English workbook. And the first chapter in English workbook is Rima and her friends. So this chapter is a link lesson of what you have learnt in English reader, that is Ria's family. So we'll start with our workbook. The first exercise. So you can all open your textbook and take page number 1. So the first one. Look at these pictures and tick the correct sentence. Here you can see 3 pictures, and for each picture there are 4 options. Looking at the picture, you have to say which is the correct sentence. Okay, so see the first picture. What does the first picture tells about? It tells about a family celebrating a birthday together. So now let's read the options. The first one, Rima is with her family. Second one, Rima is at the beach. And the third one, Rima is at the mall. And the fourth one, Rima is at the cinema. So what is the correct sentence for this picture? Rima is with her family. So this little girl is celebrating her birthday with her family. So we can tick the first one. So see the second one. A father playing with his son. So let's see the options. Rajat is playing with his father. Rajat is on his scooter. And the third one, Rajat is on a bicycle. And what is the fourth one? Rajat is on a skateboard. Can you tick the correct sentence for the picture? So what is the correct sentence? The first one. The Rajat, the little boy playing with his father. And what about the third one? Can you tick the right one, right option? Let's see the options. First one. Ray is in the classroom. Ray is in the bedroom. Ray is in the kitchen. And the fourth one, Ray is in the bathroom. So what is the right answer? The right option is Ray is in the bathroom. Now let's move on to the next exercise. So you can take page number 2. In page number 2, here you can see the name of the family members. Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, aunt, uncle. And below that, you can see a box. What you have to do is, you can paste the pictures of your family members. And while you paste the pictures, you have to number it. For example, if you are pasting the picture of your father, what you have to do first? You have to number it as 1. So if you are pasting the picture of your father, then number it as 1. Then, suppose you are next pasting the picture of your mother, then number it as 2. So like that, for all the pictures, you have to number it. And below that, you can see numbers from 1 to 8. So first you have pasted the picture of your father and you have numbered it as 1. So in 1, you have to write father. Like that, you have to fill in all the numbers. So you have to paste the pictures of your family members, number it and then write it down. So you can do this as an activity. So moving on to the next page, that is you can take page number 3. In page number 3, again you can see the name of the family members in the above box. And below that you can see a word grid. What you have to do is, you have to find the names of the family members in the word grid. So let's see. So what is the first word? Son. So you have to find that word son in the word grid. So let's find out. So son. So what is the first letter? The first letter is S. So the first letters will be colored in red. You can see some letters are in red color. So you can follow that letters. So you will get the answers very fast. So let's see the first one. The first word is son. So let's look for the letter S. So S is here. So we can draw a box here. S-O-N. So what is the next word? The next word is sister. So what is the first letter? S. So we'll look for S. So here it is, S-I-S-T-E-R. So you have to draw a box like this. And what about the next one? What is the next word? The next word is husband. So which is the first letter? H. So we look for H. Here it is, H-U-S-B-A-N-D. And what is the next word? The next word is aunt. So the first letter is A. So we look for aunt, A-U-N-T. What is the next one? The next word is father. And what is the first letter? F. So we need to search for F. F-A-T-H-E-R. So we got the word father. So can you do the next one? What is the next word? The next word is wife. And you have to search for the first letter W. So can you find it? So where is it? Here it is, W-I-F-E. Okay, then what about the next one? What is the next word? The next word is brother. And the first letter B. So we look for B. So you can look in your book and search for letter B. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. What is the next word? The next word is mother. What is the first letter? It is M. So look for M. M-O-T-H-E-R. And the next one, the next word is uncle. So what is the first letter? The first letter is U. So search for U in the word grid. U-N-C-L-E. Okay, and the last one, which is the last word? The last word is daughter. And what is the first letter? D. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. So we have found all the words in the word grid. Okay, now let's move on to naming words. So you all have learned what is a naming word. So what is a naming word? Naming word is a name of a person, place, thing, animal. So here you can see the picture of a girl. And she is the name of a person? Yes. Then what about the house? It is the name of a place. And what about the cow? It is the name of an animal. And what about the banana? It is the name of a thing. And what about the comb? It is the name of a thing. And the duck? It is the name of an animal. So all these are naming words. So what is a naming word? Naming word is a name of a person, place, thing, animal. So let's do a small activity. For that, you can take your notebook, take a new page, write the date, and there you can write the naming words. That is, first you have to write name, place, thing, animal. So see here, you can write in the page, you can write name, then leave a space or draw a line, then write place, then thing, then put one more space, put a line and then write animal. As I am not having a space, that's why I am not writing. So you can write it there, name, draw a line, place, then draw a line, thing, then write animal. So what you are going to do is, I will tell you a letter. Okay, for example, the letter is B. So with this letter, you have to write naming words. That is, you have to write a name that starts with B. Then you have to write a name that starts with, you have to write a place that starts with B. Then you have to write a thing that starts with B. Then you have to write an animal that starts with B. So did you like the activity? So let's do it. So first, are you all ready? So first I'll tell you the letter. You can start, and when I say stop, you can stop. Okay, so let's start. So the first letter for you is K. The letter is K. So you can start writing. So you should make a name that starts with K, a place with K, a thing that starts with K, and a name of an animal that starts with K. So you can start writing. When I say stop, you have to stop. Hope you have done. So let's move on to the next letter. So the next letter for you is letter D. Letter D. And the last letter, hope you have done. So the last letter for you is L. You have to write naming words that starts with L. Have you all done? Hope you have done. So you can show these answers to your parents. Okay, even you can write, you can do naming words, you can write with rest of the other letters. We have about 26 letters, and with the rest of the letters also you can do this activity. Okay. Now you can take page number 4 in your workbook. So see the exercise. Write a naming word for each letter in the alphabet. So how many letters we have in the alphabet? We have 26 letters. And you can see the letters from A to Z. And what you have to do is, you have to write the naming words that starts with the letter. So what is the first letter? The first letter is A. So can you say a word that starts with letter A? Naming word? Let's take apple. What is the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E. So apple. Apple is the name of a thing and it is a naming word. So what about letter B? Can you say a word that starts with B? Bat. What is the spelling of bat? B-A-T. And it is the name of a thing. Let's do one more. What about C? Can you say a word that starts with C? Cat. C-A-T. So like that, you can do till letter Z. So you can mark this as an activity and you can write naming words for all the letters. Okay. So we'll continue the exercises in the next class and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.